against God.
lokubalabalela uNkulunkulu.
Meaning the state that God puts us in,
Kusho ukuthi
the
umungu
state of
lo
righteousness,
ekulungeni.
it's where we can't even complain.
Yilapha sibalabala
We
nokubalabala.
can't even murmur. We can't.
Asikwazi
We
nokukhala
are
sibubu.
satisfied.
Sanelisekile.
There's no complaint. There's no doubt.
Nakubalabala, nakungabaza.
That's the state uNkulunkulu asifuna kiso, the state of righteousness.
Umumo wokulunga.
Where nangelanga lomhlola ngeke ukuthi inkosi ungenzani manje? Why kwenzeka so empilweni yami? They complained, they murmured,
Babalabala, babubula.
and God wanted to kill them.
uNkulunkulu bafuna ukubabulala.
Abanye wababulala. Let's go.
For the Lord had said to Moses, say to the Israelites, you are a stiff-necked people. If I should come among you for one moment,
Okay, uthi ngizothumela ingelosi phambi kwenu.
Yeah.
Izohamba nani. Maruthi mina nangasondela nizofa. Yeah? Imagine ingelosi iyahamba nawo. Mara uNkulunkulu uthi mina ngeke ngize. Mangasondela you are going to die. And you have the mindset ukuthi hayi ingelosi nami. Kanti akusonkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ulindele ini? Lambela i-righteousness first. The moment you are righteous as I'm righteous,
Mase senilunge njengoba
I'll
ngilungile.
be amongst you.
Ngizoba phakathi
I'll walk
kwenu.
with you.
Ngizohamba
I'll
nawe.
protect you. I will shield you.
Ngivikele.
So uthi ngiyoqosha izitha zenu kuleya ndawo mara ngizi nani. You have the impression ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungilelo kanti uthi hayi angahambi nawe ngikulwele neje ukuthi ngifuna ukuyokuthoba. But I'm not with you.
Kodwa ngikho nawe. Sure.
Finish. Asiyeke iyathusa le ndaba.
if I should come among you for one moment, I would
For one moment.
Nyana nje. Umzuzwana.
One moment.
Umzuzwana nje.
Uyabona ukuthi ukubalabala uNkulunkulu kuyingozi yani. Uthi if that one moment ngaba nani ufa, you're going to die. One moment uthi you're going to die.
Umzuzwana nje niyofa.
Let's go.
If I should come among you for one moment, I would consume and destroy you. Now, therefore, patently leave off your ornaments, that I may know what to do with you.
Live off your ornaments. Kumlani.
Shiyani konke.
Shiyani konke. Then ngizocabanga ukuthi ngenzeni ngani. Niyakuphi nekhanani. Ngisacabanga ukuthi ngenzeni ngani. So the manner which you are going to drink the milk and honey, I will determine what to do with you.
Indlela eniyophuza ngayo ibisi noju ngizoyazi ukuthi mina ukuthi ngiyenzani ngani.
Ifunda nge-amplified, ufunda nge-NLT. Amplified classic le. Okay, continue. Ifuna la iya specified jewelry what. Or ile amplified yakudala ngathi. Ile yakudala ne? Iyabala ukuthi yana jewelry nani. Kusho ukuthi labantu laba into bebayenza ukuthi babe stubborn ile jewelry. Why bakhumule yona cha? Eh? Should macici mawashi yinini kwakosele bawukhumula. Should bezibayenza ukuthi babe stubborn. Read. Are we told? NLT, verse 5. Okay, continue.
Verse 3 with NLT. Go up to this land that flows with milk and honey, but I will not travel among you, for you are a stubborn and rebellious people. If I did, I would surely destroy you along the way. Verse 4. When the people heard these stern words, they went into mourning and stopped wearing their jewelry and fine clothes.
What was making them stubborn?
Yini beyibenza babe
Remember, righteousness is a garment that they were supposed to dress.
Ingubo ekufanele bayigqoke.
But lento bebagqokile bebavimba ukuthi bangakhona ukuyigqoka. The breastplate.
Yeah.
Bagqoke ini? Ugcwele baseGibhithe.
Yeah.
And fine clothes.
Impahla zika nokusho.
Continue.
When the people heard these stern words, they went into mourning and stopped wearing their jewelry and fine clothes. Verse 5. For the Lord had told Moses to tell them, you are a stubborn and rebellious people. If I were to travel with you for even a moment, I would destroy you. Remove your jewelry and fine clothes while I decide what to do with you.
You see that state now?
Nawubona lo muntu.
uNkulunkulu uthi, why ngicabanga ukuthi what must I do with you? But uthi wena uhamba noNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uthi, you are not at a state where I want you.
Anibangi kulo mumu la ngifuna khona.
State where you are still in jewelry, fine clothes,
Entweni
cars,
ezimotweni,
houses, but
ezindlini
not
zethu.
the state of righteousness.
Kodwa hayi emumeni kokulunga.
You are not yet eating such food.
Sengadlanga lokudla
You're
kunjalo.
still eating food from the ground.
Nisadla ukudla
Dressing what
phansi.
comes from the ground.
Nigqoka lokho kusuka
Not
phansi.
yet dressed with righteousness.
Ningakagqokiswanga ukulunga kwamanje.
Meaning your bones can still be broken.
Kusho ukuthi amathambo wena sengaphuka.
Mara nihamba nami.
Ha.
These people ate ama-Israelites badla ukudla kwezingelosi. The scripture in book of Psalm, I think it's 78 verse 14. David said, badla ukudla bezingelosi. It means bengaso ukudla kwabantu lento uNkulunkulu. Okay, I think yeah, Psalm 78 verse 14. Athi ungudlise, uthola ukudla. Lithi kule ncwadi idla. Ungada. Tshela makhelwane ukuthi ungafundi idla. Dala ufunda le Bible, alifundwa liyadliwa. Read 78 verse 14, I think, yeah.
Psalms chapter 78, verse 14. In the daytime, he led them by a cloud, and all night by a pillar of fire.
Okay, tell them 12.
Verse 12. The miracles he did for their ancestors on the plain of Zoan in the land of Egypt. 13. For he divided the sea and led them through, making the waters stand up like walls. 14. In the daytime, he led them by a cloud, and all night by a pillar of fire. 15. He split open the rocks in the wilderness to give them water, as from a gushing spring. 16. He made streams pour from the rock, making the waters flow down like a river. 17. Yet they kept on sinning against him, rebelling against the Most High in the desert. 18. They stubbornly tested God in their hearts, demanding the foods they craved.
Continue.
19. They even spoke against God himself, saying, God can't give us food in the wilderness. Verse 20. Yes, he can strike a rock so water gushes out, but he can't give his people bread and meat.
But ushayilishe kuphuma amanzi but uhlola kusinika ukudla. Ngaba uwe loyo. Yabona la ama manifestation ama demon ayaphuma ilitshe laphulwa. But why mina ngatholi ikaro, why ngatholi umsebenzi? Asi. Asiphumile kuma Israelites phethe nina manje. Siphethe nina ama 2000. Let's go. Spent about 2000 much. Let's go.
Yes, he can strike a rock so water gushes out, but he can't give his people bread and meat. 21. When the Lord heard them, he was furious. The fire of his wrath burned against Jacob. Yes, his anger rose against Israel. 22. For they did not believe God or trust him to care for them. 23. But he commanded the skies to open. He opened the doors of heaven. 24. He rained down manna for them to eat. He gave them bread from heaven.
Let's go.
25. They ate the food of angels.
Badla ukudla kwengelosi bafana. Was really my revelation. Yeah, what a revelation, Maruya Fan. You even shared the revelations, but you are still stubborn. Yabona into ebuhlungu? Blessed are the hungry and
abalambele
thirsty for
nokoma
righteousness.
bawumela ukulunga
It's a state that God calls us to.
umumo la uNkulunkulu
His
asibizela khona
righteousness.
kulungeni
Where
kwakhe.
we enjoy favor.
Lapho
If you
sithokozela
enjoy
umusa,
favor, you don't
sithokozela
see what
umusa.
you are lacking.
Awuboni
You
okuswele
don't see what you need.
awuboni
Because you
okudingayo.
enjoy favor.
ngoba uthokozela umusa
When there's favor, there's no lack.
la kunomusa khona
When there's no
kunakuswela.
favor, there's no nakedness. You are dressed. You
Ugqokisiwe.
are clothed because there's
Ugqokisiwe. Ngoba
favor.
kunomusa
There's no hunger there.
Akunakulamba.
There's no poverty there. You are enjoying
Akunandlala
favor.
lapho. Vele ukuthokozela
If you don't see
umusa.
favor,
Bongabona
it
umusa.
means you stepped out of
Usho
righteousness.
ukuthi uphumile ke kulungeni
Umela asobona ubunqunu bakho khona.